First thing to do, frying the turkey, you want to make sure you get the bird in there and fill it up with water. That way we get the right level for the oil. Just want to fill it up so it submerges the bird. Next, you want to take the bird out, and then the water drops. Then you get one of these little skewers or whatever, however you can mark it. Is what you want to mark right there. That's how much oil you're going to put. So I'll take it out and I'll mark it with the marker. That's the level that I'm going to use oil. So now I'm going to dump this water out, dry it out really good, and then fill it up with oil. Now you dry it. Make sure all the water's out. Now you have your measuring stick, stick it in, fill it up with oil to that mark, and that way you secure that it doesn't spew over when you put the bird in. That's what causes all the fires, because it spews over, falls into the fire, and catches on fire. People burn their house down. To fry turkey, you want to make sure you're using a stainless steel pot, not an aluminum pot, because it's very difficult to keep temperature. Stainless steel pot will absorb the heat and it'll keep it to your temperature that you need. Usually I'll fry the turkey between 350 degrees Fahrenheit and 375. I like to get it at 375, so whenever you put the bird in, you lose about 15 to 20 degrees anyway, so it'll put me right around 350, somewhere around there. Make sure you get you one of these, either that one, or get you one of these. You wanna get it to 375, 365 degrees Fahrenheit. I usually fry the turkeys under 16 pounds. They fry better. Make sure you take everything out. Kind of hard to do everything with one hand. The neck, heart, gizzards. I'll use that for a broth. Here's a bird, rinsed out, really good. Everything taken out on both cavities. Then now what you do, you want to dry it out really good. Use either a towel or paper towels. Make sure you get it inside too. Dry it out. Make sure it's dry, no water. I mean, you're gonna have a little bit of water, but try to get most of it out. That way when you put it in the hot oil, it won't pop or it won't spew over, because that's what's gonna happen with the moisture in the water. It's gonna make it pop and spew over. That's what you don't want. So we dry them out. This is what I use to inject my turkey, and I'll show you how to inject it. And here's a syringe. We're gonna open it up. Make sure you shake it. Shake it really good. Okay. Then we're gonna pour it in here, because you're not gonna use all of it. You don't want to contaminate the rest of it. So you just pour more or less, half, and then we'll start injecting. the breast. You want to put a lot. Kind of hard to do with one hand. When you inject it, make sure you go this way, not this way, because and then you're not getting it in the meat. So you want to go this way. Leg. And the other way. The other leg. And then we flip it. Make sure you get all the air out before you start injecting. There we go. Same, repeat the process. Okay, you got your turkey injected. You want to get some of the moisture, most of the moisture out off of it. Just damp it down. Then we'll sit it in the stand. Here's a stand. Just sit it in. Oop. Just like that. It's gonna be impossible to get all the moisture off of it, but you want to get most of it off. It's very important. Right, now we'll go check on our oil temperature. You always want to fry with peanut oil. Don't use vegetable oil, don't use any other oil. Use peanut oil. Otherwise it won't come out good. And it doesn't matter the brand, they're all pretty, as long as it's peanut oil. I have this little thermal probe. Looks pretty good. Just Bluetooth to your phone so you can monitor it, set alarms. So it'll let you know, it'll alarm when the oil's ready. Or you can use one of these. I prefer to use this because that way I can go inside and do other stuff. And then I'll just hear the alarm. Okay, it's been about 55 minutes. It's ready. I'm going to take them out. I gave it about almost 4 minutes per time. Alright, now it's done. That's the way it's gonna look. And that's how you fry a turkey. This is a fried turkey. Mac and cheese.
Okay, I'm ready. Hold it.